planting, an educational only channel. I'll walk you through my methods. Hopefully we'll have some fun along the way. Grow me's, I'm just an old fart having fun in my 2x2.
Good morning, Grummy. Today is Thursday, March the 29th. I've got the cheese hanging in the 2x2. It's a little warmish right now. Humidity's perfect. But I got the lights on and the door open. The cheese and the Dream Rider are hanging to dry. I'll get this all sprayed out. Sprayed out and hosed down with some green cleaner. Gonna let this dry out, and we're gonna yank out the American Gangster. We're gonna STS her, and her ass is going in this 3x3. Out of control for the 2x2. Back in a flash. Okay, dokie. This will be the 6th application of STS on one of the lowers and the 4th on the other lower that I'm applying the STS to. I normally get it done in, 4 applications, but this one is, she ain't nowhere near enough in the flower to be showing that it's working. But this is, now I'll just paint this stuff on, but you can see the damage of me just getting that on the leaf there. Of course, this was a very small leaf when I got it on it, but you can see that they do not like it. Yeah, but she is rocking, bro. I took those 2 fan leaves off yesterday and clipped over that one. She is now 28 inches tall, and she is headed for the 3x3. No more room in the 2x2. I got plenty of height in the 3x3, and if I have to, I'll super crop her ass. I want this damn thing in the flower quick. I got so much to do. Like this is the 7-gallon pot that had the cheese in it. That one's going outdoors. This is the 3-gallon pot that had the Dream Rider in it. I'm going to cut the guts out of this and put some more seed starter in there. And I'm going to pop Gorilla Glue number 4 straight seed to soil into that and get that seed increase going, while I'm also going to get the outdoor stuff potted up and in the Spider Farmer 2x2 as well. Get that stuff ready to go outside. But I'm not showing painting on the STS. It's really not necessary. You have videos. You have videos, damn it. I'm busy as hell. I got a damn Pure Wick system I got to open up and deal with. A little vacuum pump type deal thing, kind of like a tampon. I gotta put between my mom's legs at night. It soaks up the pee-pee. My machines are getting wore out. I'm getting wore out. I gotta do something about it. It ain't something no son wanna do, but you gotta do what you gotta fucking do. Let's see here. Same thing on this side. That little bit of yellowing is from the STS. You will not find no yellow leaves on the rest of this plant. I'll give you one more look. Hey, doggy. I'm backed up, slammed against the damn kitchen counter. She's a big girl. She's a big girl. Hell, I'll bring you back when I get her painted up. While she's drying out, I'm going to clean the Spider Farmer 2x2 out and get it ready to roll. I'll be back in a flash. Okie dokie. The old man's kind of in high gear. I'm trying to multitask. And I do want to show y'all new growers what I do when I pop beans normally. I'm just going to mix this in. I'll be back. Worm castings, third cup, 3-gallon pot. Whee! Multitasking like a motherfucker, Grummies. Phew. Mine's blood sugar was a little low this morning, so fuck it. I'm gonna kill 2 birds with 1 stone here. Give her some cantaloupe and cottage cheese for lunch. Fuck yeah. I'm gonna get this girl into 3x3. Then we're gonna come out here and get the damn Gorilla Glue number 4 going. Multitask, fucking multitask. Back in a flash. Okay. We got the gangster in the 3x3. Jesus Christ, I ain't never raised up my damn light so much. Whew. And we're only at 50%. I had to knock it down to 50%. She was at like 405 or something in the 3x3 this morning. I'm probably gonna wind up super cropping this bitch. So I can get a little bit more powerful light down low. That's the only way I'm gonna do it. I'll leave her like it is for now. Too much shit to do. She's good to go. Oh yeah. Notice I put a clip on right there before I put her in, just to get that bud sight. It'll be more in the middle when it stands up. Tweak and twank. Finesse and finagle. Every day, a little bit here and there. Try to get that pretty little lady. Oh my God, I'm so damn busy. Back in a flash. Okay, dokie. I'm gonna try to do this and talk at the same time. It might turn into a fucking disaster. I never, ever start any seedlings ever directly into any type of super soil. I just don't do it. I'll trunk in some mycos. I look at it like this. You're not going to dive into untested waters. You're not going to dive headfirst in some water that you ain't dipped your toes into, right? That would be fucking foolish. Well, I look at it the same way with a seedling. I'm not going to throw a little seedling directly in to any super soil that has any kind of nutrients in it. I always start my seedlings in a nutrient-free seed starter. I look at it like they get a chance to dip their toes into it, you know what I mean? They can acclimate to that super soil without being thrown directly into it. And I hope that makes some kind of sense. Yeah, I like them to be able to dip their little baby toes into that super soil. I don't like throwing them directly into any kind of super soil. They do not need any type of feed for the first 2 weeks of their life. That's what the cotyledon leaves are for. They'll jump right on down into that super soil when they want it. I don't like nobody force feeding me. Do you like people force feeding you? And that's my thoughts on the matter. That's how I roll. You do whatever you want to do. That's just my way of doing it. I got 2 Gorilla Glue number 4s left. So we're going to try to get a seed increase. That's the name of the game. Tomorrow, I'll bring you back. But when I get the beans popped, I'll spray the inside of this little solo cup. Set it right on top. Dial in the spider farmer for veg and wait for beans to pop. Let's get these two GG number 4s in here. Oh my God. Let me get them out. Okie dokie. Got my last two GG number 4s. I'm just going to set them right in there. Push it down a little bit. Sprinkle in a little bit more. I'm going to keep the best looking one. Only the strong survive. The weak gets whacked. Oh, you motherfucker. Now I get the spider farmer dialed in, and I'll catch y'all tomorrow. We're going to be potting up everything for the outdoor grow, and we'll do a quick flyby of everything going on. Until then, I appreciate you muchly. I'm out of here. Peace.